Why? First of all, Jack Ma is not the founder of Tencent. Hey guys, it's Eric from Hong Kong based in Germany. I've been investing since I was 17 years old for almost 20 years. I want to give you guys alternative perspective and local insights about investing in Asian stocks as well as in personal finance. Biden just lifted the ban on TikTok and on WeChat, so is it time to buy Tencent? Is Tencent the best among ATMX? Alibaba, Tencent, Meituan and Xiaomi, 4 of the biggest technology companies in China if not in the world. I've made videos about the 3 others, Alibaba, Xiaomi and Meituan, so you can check out the videos in the link here above or in the description below. A few days ago, Biden announced that he is going to stop the executive order of Trump, which intends to ban TikTok and WeChat in the US. Of course, there was court cases which they never implemented it, but now it is official. However, at the same time, he also says that he is going to set up a framework in order to scrutinize foreign apps in collecting data from US citizens and residents. But I don't think that it will have a big impact of ATMX. Well, except maybe Alibaba a little bit, still it's mainly an e-commerce platform as a website rather than a retail app like TikTok. However, talking about TikTok, yes, it would be the hardest hit because it has more than 100 million users in the US, and if it was blocked, it would have a huge impact on it. Well, however, it's not even listed. However, its mother company, ByteDance, is rumored to have an IPO in Hong Kong or in the US in the coming year. So if you don't want to miss that out, remember to click the subscribe button below, and even better click the bell button next to the subscribe button so that you will not miss out my video on IPOs. Putting aside this one, there are still 3 regulatory risks looming around Tencent. The second risk is also in the US. Well, this time it's not about its operations in the US, rather it is about its ability to raise capital in the US capital market like stock exchange. Because Biden in the past few days also announced that he is going to expand the blacklist of Chinese companies which are related to the military and not allowing US citizens or residents to invest in them. And this list is quite broad, the range. They have telecom companies, oil companies, aviation companies, etc. So never say never with Tencent, even though the chance is quite low, but there is a chance. The third risk is actually much riskier for Tencent because the US Congress intends to regulate all companies listed on the US stock exchanges to allow regulators to review their audit. However, this is not allowed by the Chinese government. So how it developed, I have no idea, but the implementation time is 3 years, so at least it's not going to happen anytime soon. Fourth regulatory risk is back to the coal market in China, antitrust behaviors. Well, why would Tencent need to worry about it? Because Tencent owns Tenpay. Tenpay includes WeChat Pay and QQ Pay. They are third-party payment apps which involves trillions of dollars of transactions per year. And of course, the Chinese government is a bit concerned because it's duopoly shared by Alipay and Tenpay. So basically the whole digital payment market in China are divided by the 2 companies. Then of course it's a pain point for the Chinese government and they're going to look at antitrust behaviors. Well, but I believe that Tencent will be less affected than Alibaba in antitrust probe. Why? First of all, Jack Ma is not the founder of Tencent because Jack Ma pissed off the Chinese president so publicly. Tencent doesn't have this problem. Secondly, they have different kind of businesses. Tencent has payment business, but also they have gaming and other businesses. But Alibaba also has e-commerce, and e-commerce is also another focus of the antitrust behavior probes. The riskier fintech business, which includes the payment business, only counts for 29% of Tencent's revenue. Gaming counts for 32%, advertising 16%, and the rest with social media like QQ, WeChat or Weibo. Luckily, most of these other businesses are not the focus of antitrust behavior probe, at least for now. In comparison, e-commerce and retail accounts for 87% of revenue of Alibaba Group. So you can imagine this is also the focus of the antitrust probe, if not more so than payment. So how about Tencent's financial performance? They did pretty well in Q1 this year. Revenue went up 25% to $21 billion. And you know what? Profit went up 65% year-on-year to $7.4 billion in one quarter. Pretty impressive, right? This is mainly attributed to interest rate and gaming performance, which is very important, their core business. Most investment banks after the result announcement gave a buy rating. A small number of them said hold, but despite lowering the forecast of profits, none of them gave a sell rating. Tencent also said that they're going to invest a lot of money in two pillars. One pillar is in gaming, and the second pillar is relatively new for them, in short form videos. What is it? Basically like TikTok. Of course, this could be a risky move to invest in a new arena. However, this is actually not a bad thing. The general sentiment is still good. And of course, we need to expect that the profit margins would go down a little bit because they need to invest for the future. If you compare with other companies in ATMX, Tencent probably has the highest potential to go up in the coming 1 year or so. If you want to understand why, look at my other videos on Alibaba, on Xiaomi, and on Meituan. You can find them on my channel or in the links below. What do you think about it? Are you going to buy Tencent or Alibaba? Leave me in comments below. If you like the video, remember to like it, share, and subscribe. Even better if you click the bell button next to the subscribe button so that you're not going to miss out any videos. It will be a great motivation for me to continue making better and more videos for you guys.